Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you a couple of different functions like popitem, del, delete and clear function and their related actions on the dictionary. So all of these functions helps in one way or another to remove the elements from the dictionary, and I basically want to show you how each function returns the output so that you can use the relevant function as per your needs. Alright, so first of all what we have is the sales, so let me go ahead and execute that. After that, what I'll do is I will use the del function to delete the, let's say, sales of India. Alright, once I do that, it should work fine, and if I see, I can use it like this. Also, you must be wondering that function should have a parenthesis, so in case if you want to do that, you can even use the parenthesis as well. But now here when I printed sales, the India has been removed. Similarly, if I want to remove China and now the parenthesis is on, it should not give us any issue. So Japan 700 and now the India and China both are removed. Okay, the next thing is pop method. So what we will do is we will use the sales.pop, and this time let's remove UK. Alright, so what it gives is basically the output in terms of the value, the UK key and the value it has, but when we print it, it has removed the UK value. So whenever you are using pop method for that particular key, it returns the value but simultaneously remove the key as well, key and value both. Alright, after that what I have is the pop item, which removes any arbitrary value or a key value from the dictionary. Pop item, and I will simply specify the sales. I'm sorry, it does not require any argument because sales is something which we already specified and it's the extension method. Now if I go in and execute, what it has removed is the Japan 700. Alright, if I see this sales again, I will only have the USA. And finally I have the method which is clear, right? So clear is something which will remove or which will clear all the values. Right now we have one, but let's say if I go and execute this list again and come back here, and here I'll just show you that now we have all the items again, and let's execute the sales.clear. Now try printing the sales, right? So you get nothing, it's an empty list. So whenever you have a need where you need to remove all the elements at once, use the clear method. Finally, if you want to completely remove the or delete the dictionary object, what you can use again del and simply sales. If I try now with sales, I will just come down, sales, it will say that sales is not defined because we have removed the sales. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. So if you like the video, then hit like and share it with your colleagues and friends, those who wants to learn the Python and its related dictionary subject.